Who is it?
It's my friend.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Are you sick?
Yes, I am sick.
What's your profession?
I am a doctor.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
What's your favorite food?
I love soup.
What are your symptoms?
I will got a headache.
How's the weather?
It was raining.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking.
Where are you going?
I am going to store.
How was the party?
It was good.
What is it?
It's salad.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am.
How was your day?
It was good.
What is that?
That's a temple.
What are you doing?
I am playing games.
What's for dinner?
Spaghetti tonight.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
Do you like snow?
No, I don't like snow.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
What did you buy?
Some vegetables.
What's your job?
I am a student.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Where's the cow?
The cow is under the tree.
What are you doing?
I am cooking food.
Who is he?
He is my grandfather.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment and share.